NeuroTouch Sculpting Technique. Turn your head to the side, start behind the ear and work down towards the clavicle using pinching movements to relieve tension at the back of the neck. Your jaw, starting at the center of the chin, working back towards your ear. Make circles with pinched fingers. Cheeks, using alternate hands placed over your head. Start at the apple of the cheekbone. Hold fingers under cheekbone to lift the cheek, walking the fingers back towards your ear. Brows, starting at the beginning of the eyebrow, work towards the end of the eyebrow, pinching, lifting, and circling the skin. Your forehead, lift and slide across from the center of your eyebrows to the outer edge in a zigzag motion. Finishing, spread fingertips, work from the top to the bottom using light pressure. Start at the center forehead and outwards to the edges of your face. Then start at the center of the cheeks and massage outwards to the edge of the face, moving towards your ears. Start at the center of your chin and massage outwards to the edge of your face and outer jawline. Finally, start at the temple, sliding down the sides of the face towards your neck. Don't forget to do both sides of your face and always do each step 3 times, and have a fabulous day.